bhuti manje ukuthi sele nibabukele kuyo ke i-podcast yethu leshasha. Ngabe mfowethu ngisiphi isimo lobukele naso emtimbeni mfowethu?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yabona mna. Yeah. Niyazi nani bafowethu ekhaya nami ngisabingelela futhi.
Yes.
Vele isimo sami vele ngadalwa vele the way ungibona ngakhona. Noma you don't get it ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani vele. To cut long story short, many people vele they know this thing, ophthalmology, optometrist is a doctor for eyesight.
Yes.
Anyway, most people we know optometric language. We call it myopia. Someone who is partially sighted like me.
Yes.
It's myopia.
Singisi.
It's Singisi. So we say you are myopic.
Yes.